How's it going, everyone? My name is Jackson from the Spiffy Marketing team, and today we're going to be running through the new Spiffy app. As you can see here, our dashboard display is completely updated. We now can list when the last oil change was, so you can get reminders on when you need to have your oil change. Any safety recalls will be placed in this section here. Fortunately, my vehicle doesn't have any, but if there were any, I could jump into it and learn more about those individually. And I can also keep tabs on car wash or any Spiffy services down there. We also have the My Garage, which lists the vehicles that you have associated with your account. And from there you can choose which vehicle you want to focus on, or you can just swipe right here. As you can see here, my Toyota Camry is in desperate need of an oil change, so I'll make that the focus of my appointment request. Just hit Book Now, select the service location, select the Toyota Camry. As you can see, I get a promo code as a part of our Spiffy partner pricing since I'm choosing to have my service done at the office. And I want to have an awesome detail, so I'll select awesome detail, and I can go down here to choose the Spiffy premium oil change because I want to have that the best oil I can have. And we're also having a free promotion going on this month for free trim and running board restoration. I want to get that selected as well. From there I'll continue. I want to do this as soon as possible, so we're going to do it tomorrow, and my preferred start time is going to be 10 a.m. From there I'll just hit next, and it'll ask me to verify the default credit card. I only have one card on file. You might have multiple, but choose the one you want and hit confirm. From there the appointment will be created, and it'll send a request to our customer care team where they'll confirm it and get back in contact with me once the date and time have been confirmed.